Dirty. Cleaning. Clean. So we're here, Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. We're here at this sign. I'm on top of the sign so I can do the top cap. Of this sign that goes into the entranceway. The issue is two things. Number one, they had somebody else do it a while back and it really messed up stuff, but it wasn't entirely the fault of the pressure washing company. Yes, they use too high pressure. I'm using about half pressure, half of my RPMs, but this whole sign is literally falling apart. The joints are falling apart, the brick facing is loose and falling apart. Hardly any pressure needed to get this to fall off. That's just from wind and rain and stuff like that. We haven't even, and see, that one's about to fall off right there. So we're gonna come in with a strong mix to kill it, make it look good, and we're gonna not do a lot of pressure because we don't want to make any more damage, and we're gonna have them do it more often so that way I can use less chemicals, less pressure if they do it once a year versus I don't know how long, years. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.